Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install the Talkie app home screen widget. So let's get started. So to install that, you have to follow these easy steps. So you can just press and hold the Talkie app, as you can see. So you can just click on add to home. This added the app, and if you want to add a whole widget, it is available in your phone. If your phone supports, then it will show. It does not work in every phone. Okay. So here is my Samsung, so let's test it. So I will just press and hold to the screen, just click to that widget. So at here you will search for the Talkie app. Okay, so as you can see in my phone, Talkie widget has been not supported, so you can only add into your screen and use it. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.